Ladies and gentlemen, this is pina colada 4 ways, all right? So we take a pina colada and we do it 4 different ways. This is the popsicle way first. So we start off with coconut rum. For the coconut rum, we'll put some pineapple juice. Come behind that pineapple juice with a little bit of coconut milk. Bang. Now, traditional pina colada would be rum, pineapple juice, cream of coconut. So this one's a little different. But they're all in the same family, and the reason why this is a little different is because we need to put this into the freezer and have it freeze. Put in our popsicle sticks. Bingo, 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 bingo. Okay? And now we break them out, and bang. They're gorgeous. Love them, love them, love them even more. All right? So that's the popsicle way. Let's move on to the next way. Pina colada jello shots. So guys, start off with some hot water. Get some gelatin in there. Stir, 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 stir. Then we come behind with some condensed milk. Pour in. Excelente. Stir, 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 stir. Bit of coconut rum. I'm loving this. These look really, really cool, actually. Stir, 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 stir. Notice we go halfway, okay? Now we need a top layer. So we put those in the fridge, and now we get some pineapple jello. So you see the orange coming in. Stir, 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 stir. Now we can add in some booze. Ooh, pineapple rum. Get that in there. Look at this set. This set's so beautiful, so tropical. I love it. Let it cool first before you pour it on top. Pour, 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 pour. Put that in the fridge. Drop a little cherry on top. Good to go. Okay. This is the pina colada teeny. Ice. Coconut rum. Come behind it with some pineapple rum. Pineapple juice. Shake, 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 shake. And then we pour in. Okay. Got have a little pineapple on the side. It's a teeny. And there you have it, okay? Now, last but not least, the classic pina colada. Please quickly tell me what's in this. I told you earlier, you should know. Okay, traditional pina colada is simply rum. It's only 3 ingredients. Cream of coconut. Pineapple juice, full stop. You don't need to drop in chunks of pineapple, okay? Grandma's wedding ring, none of that stuff. Just keep it simple and it's good to go. Pineapple slice on the side, cherry on top. 4 ways to do a pina colada. Stay tipsy, friends. Stay tipsy.